Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Welcome to 𝑗𝗲𝗄𝗃. Oh wait, welcome to the Crystal Nail Fairy page. So this morning we do a Chanel Hello Kitties. So I am gonna show you the result. This is our inspiration. By the way, after this we are going to TikTok too at 1:30 to do another live. So this is our inspiration. Let me go ahead and connect myself so I can show you what we have done today. First, I'm gonna put my website on. My website is www.𝑗𝗲𝗄𝗃, and I will add in customer service. Her name is Kyla. Her phone number is 417-772-4020. And I will connect myself. Okay. For Tino. I love you. Okay, good. This one and
No sound?
not yet, not yet.
Okay, not yet.
All right, good. All right, everyone. Time to get ready. Okay, you hear anything yet? Hello. You hear anything yet? Let me know if there's still no sound. There should be sound right now. Okay. That sound? Okay, good. Why? Okay. All right, let's show everybody what we have here.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome.
Can you do a short nail style?
Any of my design, you can do it on short nails. I do on long nail because that's standard nail modeling size.
And we've actually did a little scientific studies on this, and there's really no difference except you need to learn your proportion.
Yep. Just
but
the proportion.
If Tino started doing short nails, he would be so sad.
I know, right? That'd be horrendous.
Sad.
All right, now I am going to start bedazzle now with Crystal Magic Glue. And for the stone, I am gonna choose, let's do the smallest size, SS5, and triangle tray. Just triangle tray out. I have all my stone out. Using the triangle so I can make sure that all the stone is facing up for me, so it's easier for me. And I'm gonna clip this glue.
Oh, honey, they want you to greet them, even though he's in a hurry.
Hi, Dario, Mr. Nails. Hello, Dario.
Cuba, thank you, Tula, for ordering the art gels.
Thank you, Chuba. Okay, little glue here. This tray I use just for glue because it's freeze on me, so I'm not gonna put it everywhere. I'm just putting it on one crystal palette, and then have the glue dryer out. So the magic glue and then the glue dryer. So I have that out. Open this just so to get ready for it. Okay, now make sure I clean the katana.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty simple. For matte, I don't want to seal this because it's gonna look unattractive if I take top coat and seal it on the side. So that's why I use glue. So I don't have to seal this. I can just leave it at that.
Do you actually do people's nails, or is it just a demonstration master class?
Yeah, just demonstration.
Yeah, we're teaching everyone else. He did nails
I used
for
to.
14 years, and after all the, it's not worth it. It's devaluing his talent.
Yeah, because then I couldn't teach you.
Right.
If I do other people now, then I cannot teach you. And blood is not just the art. I have to do the construction, the filing. After 14 years, I'm pretty much done. That part doesn't excite me. Only the art excites me. So when I was doing now, my dream is to one day, all I have to do is design. I don't have to do the service anymore. And now it's finally come. Now all I do is designing. My dream have come true. Because that's all I'm longing for in my life, is to design, to do art. But before, I have to deal with people, drama, and have to conversation with them, have to do a little conversation. And it's just too much extra for me. I'm not, that's what I'm not in for. I'm in for art. And only art.
My goodness! But wait, let me step in the shoes of your mother for a moment. Can you make money doing that? Will you be
Dustin, can you hand me a paper towels, please?
So you'll be going on TikTok right after this?
Right after this. Right at 1:30.
Is there any other way to stick gems apart from using glue?
Yes, that is gel too.
So on the 𝗕𝗲𝗚 page, there should be some other videos and different techniques and different styles that he explained.
Yes, and you have to watch all of it. There is many different ways to adhere stone, and there is many different ways that the stone can be applied. There's many different patterns for it. And to be a successful crystallizer, you have to be able to know everything. You cannot skip out on anything. You have to know it all. So make sure you watch all of it. But today, simple. Today is not as tricky as other day. We're just doing stone over mat, just line stone over mat. So.
Hello, Lexio. What kind of glue are you using?
I am using the Crystal Magic glue. From the website, you can go in Essential from Tino shop, get into Essential category, and you will see the Crystal Magic glue and the Crystal Magic glue dryer. So, oh, by the way, if you have any glue that are left over on the side, wipe it with acetone before it has a chance to completely cure. But when it completely clear, it'll be very hard to wipe it off. So it's nice and thin. Now, come back to the question. Oh, the Crystal Magic glue. Yeah, it's on the website.
This is a bit off topic, but are you coming out with 3D modeling gels in colors like you used for the past 27 weeks?
Yes, I will. I'm working on it. And yes, very good memory.
By the way, hello, Nels. Lost and found.
Hi, Lost and Found Nels. Hello, my love. Okay.
Yes, Sagittarius, by the way, know this. Tino's job is teaching people, and a lot of the followers, especially the ones who have been here, and the people that we post on his storyline are absolutely just as good. They have grown. They can fulfill your needs. Those are pretty, honey.
Everybody can make money. Everybody have a chance to make money.
And everybody has a chance to be happy.
Yes.
But
because of that, I'm not teaching privately. Because there's many people that come up to me and say, Tino, I pay you anything to have a one-on-one. I'm not going to teach privately. Because, as I say, when everybody can make money, there's a fair chance. It's up to you to learn. Everybody have an equal chance to make money.
We have been discussing some classes, but they will be few and far between and not cheap, because ultimately, while we're teaching just a handful of people, we're not able to teach a lot of people.
Yes. So remember, if I ever actually charge for a class, I am gonna get you with a prize. Remember that.
Do you recommend a brand in the meantime for 3D molding clay that you like to use?
Before I use Mitsu for about 2 years. I'm using Mitsu, and Tone sent me some collection of them. I do think that Tone is a little better than Mitsu, but at the end of the day, it's really all the same.
How do you make your gem stay on for longer than a week?
Part of it because of the glue, and then the other part is the sealing. When you do glue on mat, you don't have to seal much. If you do on shine, you have to seal it. So the material play a big part in it, and the sealing play a huge part in it, probably 80% of the trick for stone to stay on, and not just for a week, forever, until your client come back. It's on the sealing. You have to know how to properly seal it. Again, you have to watch my crystal video on this page, the Crystal Nail Fairy. And since it's early page, it don't have much. It only have about a few videos, so it's not confusing for you. But the longer we go, because now I want to do demonstration every time I do live. I want to jump on here and do crystal demonstration. So sooner or later, it's going to be packed with live.
Packed with live.
Yeah. Now it's still early for the early bird to come in.
The early birds.
For the early bird. But yes, remember, you have to learn all the tricks.
All of them.
That I taught in crystal, and trust me, there is a lot of tricks. Just not 1 or 2 simple tricks.
But once you learn all the tricks, you can guarantee it.
Right. And you can guarantee
you can
charge. Right.
Once
you
want to
be able
to charge, they'll be like, okay.
But if you cannot guarantee the stone, you will not be able to charge your words on it.
And back when Tino did nails, that was his approach was, you get the stones. If they fall off, you can come back and I'll put them on for free.
Guarantee.
But we never seen them come back.
Right. You have to put a guarantee on your work too.
And I remember that time when we were traveling and someone had to go and get their nails removed.
And they cannot remove my crystals.
They couldn't remove the crystals.
That poor nail tech, she had a really hard time. She was sweating and everything because she couldn't remove my crystals.
Hello, Germany. Hello, Denmark.
Hello, Denmark.
Ding. So you have 15 minutes, honey.
I have 15 minutes.
Okay. Till you go on TikTok.
I'm done.
You're done?
I need to put some silver stone here and there, and then I'm done.
All right. I have been a nail tech for 4 months now, and I'm loving doing detailed artwork. Following along with you and watching your tutorials is so fun and helpful.
Yes.
That's what we love to hear. That makes us realize that not having classes is more beneficial.
Right. Yeah.
We had, what was the longest that you had someone have nails on?
About 15 years.
No. Oh, well, yeah, actually.
Yeah. I have a client that wear nail for 15 years. The day that I quit doing her nail and take it off, her nail is nice and healthy. I'm talking about acrylic.
Right, because you just keep on filling as opposed to restructuring.
You don't ruin people's nails because acrylic, if the people's nail get ruined, it's your fault. It's your fault.
But what I meant was, do you remember, I forget her name, the stripper.
Oh, like one set at once?
One set, yeah.
3 months.
3 months those stayed on.
I was very proud of that set.
I was.
Well, actually, I was proud of her.
I know, right? Because I would have thought.
I was like, what the hell, Michaela? Are you crazy?
Right.
She's like, I just want to put it on. I just want to take it off. Like, okay, thanks. It was a shock set too, a shock nail set.
Mm-hmm.
I miss Michaela.
Yeah, she was a lot of fun, wasn't she?
Yeah.
Moved out to California.
Yeah, follow your dream, follow your love. All right, everyone, this is a Hello Kitty set that I did. Now I am ready to change my glove and go to TikTok.
Oh, here you go, honey. Can you tell?
Hi, Brady. Hi, Brady. Hello.
Is it Brady? Or
Brady.
Or Brady? I don't know.
It's Brady.
It's Brady.
Hi, Brady.
Is it I love you so much I'm gonna get a tattoo of Tino. Oh, that's...
All right, now. And remember, I really like it, but if it's non-consistent outside, you can file it. But I like it like this, so I don't want to file it. But if you want, you can take a file.
Sharpen it up a little bit.
Yeah, and do this.
Honey, those are beautiful. I like them.
You can do this.
Gently, lightly.
Yeah, but I like it like that.
Savor it.
Okay, everyone, this is the Chanel Hello Kitty.
You're welcome, Becky Bruns.
My next set is a glow, electric glow flamingo over golden chrome palm leaf. That will be on TikTok.
Electric flamingo.
Electric pink
leaf.
glow flamingo using the glow technique over golden palm leaf. Tropical jungle leaf, but not green. Golden.
Sounds like a lot.
And using a touch of Glam's gel ombre with some pink highlight using stained glass gels at 1:30. So I'm going to get off here.
And yes, he will save the lives. So the nail that he put the crystals on will be saved to this page. And what's your name on TikTok?
My name on TikTok is Tino, vo.tino. So vo.tino, vo.tino.
And the rest of the design, the Hello Kitty and all that, will be on his other page, 𝙗𝙗𝙡. That's where the lives will be reposted.
So within 5 minutes, you will be able to see this set. However, you don't want to see it yet because you want to jump on TikTok and see another live. Because TikTok, I will not post immediately. I'll have to post a day after.
Oh.
Clean all my mess.
Get all this pigmento.
All right, everyone, let's get going. Not immediately. I need about 10-minute break, and then at exactly 10 minutes from now, I'll be on TikTok. All right, bye-bye, everyone. I get up here really quick so I can prepare a little bit, and then I'll be back on.
And it will switch the phone to not AT&T.
Yes, yes.
All right, love you.
Bye-bye, everyone. And for Instagrammer that couldn't go on TikTok, I'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m.